Welcome back to Mom MZ Hawaii's Countdown to Christmas crafting, and we've got 4 days left until Christmas. Today we're going to be doing a mix heat transfer vinyl onesie. So this is a little bit higher complexity type project. The first thing I'm going to do is fold my onesie in half and briefly iron it just so that I can get a little center line directly in the center of the onesie. And then you take your iron-on material, fold them in half on the back side, so the not sticky side, so that you can find the center, just lining up my words so they're perfectly centered in the center, and then doing the same thing for the glitter portion of the heat transfer vinyl. So that's the poop part, and that I made in glitter, kind of a brownish color that doesn't show up super well on this video. Then I'm going to place my Teflon sheet and do my heat transfer ironing with my Easypress at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. I chose 320 degrees because that is actually the temperature right between what is recommended with the heat press for glitter iron-on, which is 330 degrees, and the everyday iron-on, which is the black portion and the words, that is usually recommended at 315 degrees. So again, I chose 320 because it's in between. And as you can see here, because of that, my glitter iron-on didn't stick quite so well the first time, so I needed to iron it on a second time for another 15 seconds at 320 degrees. And again, this is probably because the actual temperature for the glitter iron-on should be higher at 330, but I don't want to expose my everyday iron-on to the super high temperature because it might actually warp the design a little bit. So we're staying at the 320, and the only thing you have to do is iron on it maybe one more time as needed. And as it's cooled off, I'm just peeling off that transfer sheet again. It's that clear carrier sheet that holds the heat transfer vinyl as you're ironing it on. So just peeling that off carefully. And then I did iron it on one more time, just for another 15 seconds at 320, just to ensure it's really stuck on to your onesie. And that is it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and don't hesitate to ask me questions in the comments below. Thanks.